Why video retention rate matters for YouTube algorithm. When it comes to YouTube success, one key factor that can make or break your channel is video retention rate. In other words, your ability to keep viewers engaged throughout your videos is crucial for the YouTube algorithm to promote your content and ultimately help you grow your audience. Think of it like driving a car. If you hear something off, you stop and fix it. Similarly, if your video retention rate is low, it's essential to find ways to improve it so that the algorithm can favor your channel. Video retention rate is significant because it indicates how many viewers are watching your content until the end. The YouTube algorithm favors channels with higher retention rates since it assumes that viewers find the content engaging enough to stay until the end. As a result, the algorithm may recommend your videos to more people, making it easier to gain organic views and subscribers. However, if your video retention rate is low, it is a clear indication that your content is not compelling enough to keep viewers engaged. And as a result, the algorithm will not promote your videos as much or recommend them to other users. Having high retention rates is not only essential for the algorithm, but for your overall channel success, as it can lead to more watch time, more ad revenue, and ultimately, more subscribers. Now that you understand why video retention rate is so crucial, let's dive into 4 watch time hacks that can help improve it and keep your viewers engaged. Watch time. Hack hash 1. Making content more relatable. The first watch time hack to improve your video retention rate on YouTube is to create content that resonates with your audience. This is done by making your content more relatable. The importance of relatability is often overlooked, yet it is an effective way to keep your audience engaged throughout your video. When your viewers can relate to your content, they are more likely to enjoy it and watch more. This is because relatable content has a personal connection with your audience. It speaks to their interests, experiences, and beliefs. To make your content more relatable, start by understanding your audience. Who are they? What do they like? What problems do they have that your content can solve? Take this information and create content that speaks to them. Here are a few ways to make your content more relatable. 1. Tell personal stories. One of the best ways to connect with your audience is by sharing personal stories. By sharing your experiences and personal struggles, your viewers can relate to you on a personal level. This creates a sense of empathy and authenticity, which can increase your audience retention rate. 2. Use everyday language. Avoid using jargon and technical terms that your audience may not understand. Instead, use everyday language that your viewers can easily comprehend. This will make your content more accessible and relatable. 3. Focus on your audience. When creating content, remember that it's not about you. It's about your audience. Focus on what they want and need, and create content that addresses those needs. This will ensure that your content resonates with your audience and keeps them engaged. 4. Use visuals. Visuals can help make your content more relatable by adding a visual element to your message. Use images, graphics, or even video footage to illustrate your point and add interest to your content. In conclusion, making your content more relatable is an effective way to improve your video retention rate on YouTube. By creating content that resonates with your audience, you can increase engagement and keep viewers watching. Remember to focus on your audience, use everyday language, and use visuals to make your content more accessible and relatable. With these strategies, you can create engaging content that keeps viewers tuned in to your channel. Watch time. Hack hash 2. Adding humor to your content. Adding humor to your content is a great way to improve video retention rates because viewers tend to stay engaged when they are entertained. Laughter brings about endorphins, which create a positive association with your content and can even lead to viewers wanting to re-watch your video. Humor can come in many different forms, from witty one-liners to physical comedy. Whatever type of humor you choose to incorporate into your videos, it's important to keep it natural and true to your brand voice. If your brand is more serious or informative, then slapstick comedy may not be the best fit. One effective approach is to use satire or parody. Take a common topic within your niche and add a satirical twist to it. This will allow viewers to see your content from a different perspective and create a memorable viewing experience. Another method to add humor is by using relatable situations. It's important to understand your audience and what they find humorous. This will enable you to create content that resonates with them through moments that they can identify with. For example, if your audience is mostly college students, you can create content that mimics the struggles of college life, such as pulling all-nighters or surviving on late-night pizza runs. Timing is also key when it comes to adding humor to your content. You should aim to add comedic relief at particular intervals in your video. This helps to break up the content and keep viewers engaged. Adding humor at the beginning of a video can set the tone for the rest of the video and make it easier for viewers to stay connected. However, humor can sometimes be a double-edged sword. You should try to avoid humor that is offensive or in bad taste. You don't want to chase viewers away or do damage to your brand's reputation. In conclusion, adding humor to your YouTube videos is an effective way to improve retention rates. Laughter is a powerful tool and can create a lasting positive association with your content. However, it's important to stay true to your brand voice and to use humor responsibly. When done successfully, humor can help maximize the potential of your YouTube channel. Watch time hack 3. Engaging your viewers creatively. Engaging your viewers creatively is a crucial watch time hack that can help improve your video retention on YouTube. One of the most common mistakes that creators make is focusing too much on the content itself and not enough on holding their audience's attention. Without engaging your viewers, your content can lose its impact. One way to engage your viewers creatively is by interrupting their routine. Changing the background or camera angles can be an excellent way of doing this. For example, if you're making a cooking channel, mix up your filming location or bring in some props to add visual interest. This technique can be used in any niche, and it allows you to keep your content fresh and captivating. Another way to engage your viewers creatively is by involving them in your content. Try to create a dialogue with your audience by asking questions, playing games, or conducting a poll. By doing this, you can create a sense of community and connection with your viewers, which will enhance the retention of your videos. Incorporating interactive elements into your videos is another way to engage your viewers creatively. Annotations, graphics, and pop-ups can add an extra layer of interactivity to your content, making it more engaging and memorable. For example, you can provide extra information in your videos by using annotation links that lead to additional resources or offer a quiz at the end of your video. Collaborating with other creators in your niche can also be a great way to engage your viewers creatively. By bringing new faces and perspectives into your content, you can keep things fresh and exciting for your audience. Not only will this keep your viewers engaged, but it will also expose your channel to a new audience. Overall, engaging your viewers creatively is an excellent way to improve your video retention on YouTube. Interrupting their routine, involving them in your content, incorporating interactive elements, and collaborating with other creators are all effective strategies that can help you retain more of your viewership. With these watch time hacks in mind, you can keep your audience engaged and continue to produce high-quality content that is enjoyable to watch. Watch time. Hack 4. Learn from poor-performing videos and try again. No matter how much effort you put into creating quality content, you may not always see the results you were hoping for. It's essential to understand that not every video will be successful. However, it's what you do next that can make or break your channel. When you see poor results on a video, avoid getting discouraged. Instead, take the time to analyze what went wrong. Look at the retention rate of the video and compare it to your other content. See where the viewer drop-off occurred and try to rectify it in your future videos. One common mistake creators make when faced with poor retention rates is abandoning the video altogether. But this shouldn't be an option. Instead, take the opportunity to learn from it, understand what didn't work, and try to apply it to future videos. Another thing to consider is the title and thumbnail of the video. Were they catchy enough to grab viewers' attention and make them curious enough to click on the video? You might want to rework the title and thumbnail to make them more enticing. You might also want to consider the length of the video. Did you keep the audience engaged enough to watch the entire video, or was the content too long or too short? Try experimenting with different video lengths to see what works best for your audience. One other important factor to consider is the quality of the content. Do the visuals and audio meet your usual standards? Did you put enough effort into the script and delivery? Did you provide value to the viewer? Don't forget to check the analytics of the video to see if it's being promoted by YouTube to the right audience. You can also use this data to make improvements to your content and make sure your videos reach your target audience. In conclusion, it's crucial to understand that every video won't be successful, but that doesn't mean you should give up. Learn from the experience and use it to make your future content even better. Analyze the retention rates, rework the title and thumbnail, experiment with the length, and always strive for quality content. Applying these watch time hacks can help maintain and grow your audience on YouTube, as well as keep the YouTube algorithm happy. Once you have applied these techniques, you will see a substantial growth in your YouTube stats. If you want to learn how to come up with unlimited YouTube ideas, then watch this next video on the screen right now.